is How To. Today I'm going to show you Cool Math Games, which was in an earlier video. So we've got loads of games. This is my favourite, Moto X3M. There's loads of different versions. There's Moto X3M Winter, Pool Party, and Spooky Land. Also I like Jelly Truck. So skip ahead. Here is Moto X3M. I love this game. Personally, I'm just going to turn up the volume a bit so you can hear it. It's really fun. Here we go. Loading in 3, 2, 1. Let's go. Alright, so I've already done one level. It's really fun, this. And I'm just going to flip and down. Okay. Yep. Like that bike said. Okay. I think I could get a double in. So you can do flips and it will minus seconds. But you can die, so. But if you go past a green light, you spawn from there. So you've just got to get through the levels, basically. Whoa, that was close. Now that is a hard bit. So the controls are the arrow keys. Press back to brake, forward to go forward, and to tilt you do the left and right arrows. So this is a very fun game, as you can see. So yeah, there's lots of levels. Wait, what did I just do? I don't know. But the Cool Math Games is really cool. So I'm going to search Jelly Truck now. One of my favourite other games. Here we go. Jelly Truck. It's one of my most favourite games. So. Right, let this ad go past. But there are ads, but you can get no ads if you would prefer. So, Jelly Truck, you can stick to stuff because the whole world is made out of jelly, basically. So, I like it. Here we go. It's nice music. Definitely. I'm just going to show you level 1. It's the easiest. So it's the same as Moto X3M, except when you tip upside down with the arrow keys, you don't die. So it's a nice game. Also, you get to score and you've got to make it to the finish. But I always think the finish flag looks like the Play Store sign. Google Play Store sign. Once I get to it, I'll show you. It is quite a weird shape and colour. I don't think the colour's like it, but sort of. But it's definitely the shape. But it's a whole flag. It makes a funny sound though. I like that. That's why I love Jelly Truck. It sounds like a kid going, and I think it is, which sort of creeps me out. Watch out! Also, everything makes this weird jelly sound. But it is quite difficult to control because, I mean, it's a truck made of jelly. Alright, so there's what I think looks the Play Store sign. Let me just go forward a bit so you can see it. So you saw it. Just comment below if you think it looks like it. Anyway, that was Jelly Truck. Here are the other Moto X3Ms. I don't really know any others except I think it's Space Run or something. No, I'll just look in the main menu. Well, I know it's called Run 3. Okay, it's definitely Run 3. So they're just the games I'm going to show you today, but let's just finish this game because why not play? This game is quite difficult, but I would give it a try. It's very fun. So yeah, this game, I don't know why those lock characters are there, but ooh, that's loud. Don't like it. Okay. Now my computer's just glitching a bit, but we're in Space Run, and you can run up walls. That is my favourite aspect of this game. You can run up the walls, but don't fall into the holes, because you'll fall into space. Level 2. Now, as you go through, the levels just get harder and harder. But if you fall through a gap, let me just show you. You fall into space. Anyway, that was the video today. Hope you enjoyed it. I'll be playing Space Run after I publish this video. Anyway, hope you enjoyed. The like and subscribe will come up. Anyway, see ya.